Are you tired of looking at those unsightly cracks in your concrete driveway, patio, or sidewalks? Wondering if there's an easy, durable solution to repair those fissures without calling in the professionals? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into the world of DIY concrete repair. We've tested and reviewed the top 7 concrete crack fillers on the market to help you choose the best product for your needs. From flexibility to durability, ease of use to drying time, we've got all the details you need. So, let's get started and turn those cracks from eyesores into seamless repairs. Seven, ConSandtrate concrete crack filler. ConSandtrate concrete crack filler is a solid choice for those looking to repair minor cracks in their concrete surfaces. The product comes in a 3-pound container, which we found to be sufficient for multiple small repair jobs. Its grey colour blends well with most concrete, making the repairs less noticeable. It is specifically designed for hairline cracks, easy to mix and apply, and dries to a hard finish that is durable and long-lasting. Can be used for both indoor and outdoor repairs. Upon testing, we appreciated the fine texture of the filler, which made it easy to work into small cracks. The setting time was reasonable, allowing for quick repairs without the need for extensive downtime. Users have reported that the filler holds up well against weather and traffic, maintaining its integrity over time. Most reviews praise ConSandtrate for its ease of use and effectiveness on small cracks. Some users did mention the need for proper preparation of the crack, including cleaning and dampening, to ensure the best adhesion and results. Six, Akona Pourable Grey Concrete Crack Filler. Akona's Pourable Grey Concrete Crack Filler is a user-friendly option for those with little to no experience in concrete repair. Its pourable nature makes it ideal for filling narrow cracks and crevices. It is pourable and self-leveling, suitable for cracks up to ½ inch wide. The filler can be used on both horizontal and vertical surfaces. It dries to a robust and flexible finish. During our testing, we found the pourable feature to be incredibly convenient, allowing the filler to flow into the crack without the need for additional tools. The self-leveling aspect resulted in a smooth finish that required minimal effort to achieve. Users have noted its flexibility, which seems to prevent future cracking due to movement or temperature changes. Reviews often highlight the product's ease of application and good coverage. Some users suggest applying in layers for deeper cracks to ensure thorough filling and optimal drying. Five, Sashco Slab Concrete Crack Repair Sealant. Sashco Slab Concrete Crack Repair Sealant is a high-performance product designed to mimic the expansion and contraction of concrete, making it an excellent choice for areas with temperature fluctuations. The elastic technology allows for movement without cracking. It is paintable with latex paint for a seamless look, excellent adhesion to existing concrete, water-based, and easy to clean up. Our experience with Sashco Slab was positive, particularly with its elasticity. The product adhered well to the sides of the cracks, and once skewered, it was tough yet flexible. Users have found it to be an excellent option for larger cracks that require a product that can move with the concrete. The majority of reviews commend the product for its durability and the fact that it can be painted over. Some users did note that it's essential to follow the instructions carefully, especially when it comes to the curing time, to ensure the best performance. 4. Sika Ready Mix Concrete Patch. Sika Ready Mix Concrete Patch is our top pick for its combination of convenience and strength. It's a pre-mix formula, which eliminates the need for additional mixing and preparation. It is ready to use straight out of the container, suitable for repairing cracks, holes, and other surface defects in concrete. Can be applied with a trowel or putty knife. Rise to a smooth grey finish. Testing the Sika Ready Mix Concrete Patch was a breeze due to its ready mix formula. We found it to be thick enough to fill larger defects without sagging, yet still smooth enough to spread evenly. Users appreciate the time saved by not having to mix the product and the professional results it delivers. Users often mention the convenience of the pre-mixed formula and the strong bond it forms with the existing concrete. Some reviews suggest that it works best on clean, solid surfaces, so proper preparation is key. 3. Bluestar Flexible Concrete Crack Filler. Bluestar Flexible Concrete Crack Filler is designed for those who need a durable yet flexible solution for their concrete cracks, especially in areas subject to movement. Permanently flexible to allow for concrete movement. Easy to apply with a standard caulking gun. Light grey colour matches most new concretes. Can be used on cracks up to 1 inch wide. In our testing, the Bluestar filler's flexibility stood out. It was easy to apply, and the light grey colour matched well with the newer concrete surfaces we worked on. Users have reported that it's particularly effective in areas with 3-4 cycles, as the flexibility helps prevent the filler from cracking. Positive reviews often focus on the product's ability to maintain its flexibility over time and its resistance to weather conditions. Some users recommend applying it during warmer weather for the best results. Two, Sika Pro Select Self-Leveling Sealant. Sika Pro Select Self-Leveling Sealant is ideal for those who want a no-fuss, professional-looking finish on their horizontal concrete surfaces. Self-leveling for an even finish. Polyurethane formula for long-lasting repairs. Can be applied over existing concrete and masonry. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Our experience with the Sika Pro Select was impressive due to its self-leveling properties, which eliminated the need for tooling and resulted in a smooth surface. Users have found it to be a reliable option for filling joints and cracks in concrete slabs and driveways. Reviews often praise the sealant for its ease of application and the quality of the finish. Some users denote that it's important to use backer rods for deeper cracks to ensure proper filling and to conserve the sealant. One, Rust-Oleum Concrete Patch and Repair. Rust-Oleum Concrete Patch and Repair is a robust solution for those serious about making long-lasting repairs to their concrete surfaces. Two-part epoxy formula for a strong bond. Suitable for repairing cracks, holes, and other surface defects. Can be sanded or drilled once skewered. Provides a hard, durable surface. During our testing, the strength of the Rust-Oleum repair was evident. It filled deep voids effectively and cured to a rock-hard finish. Users have been satisfied with its performance on heavy-duty repairs, noting its resistance to heavy traffic and impact. The product receives high marks for its durability and the strong bond it forms. However, some users mention that it requires careful mixing and application to achieve the best results. Each of these products offers unique features and benefits, and user experiences and reviews can provide valuable insights into their performance. Remember, the key to a successful repair is not only selecting the right product, but also preparing the surface properly and following the manufacturer's instructions for application and curing.